This transmission has been requested by the United States government. A worldwide outbreak of a mysterious virus has affected people over the age of 13. Those below the age of 12 do not get affected by this virus. However, the United States government and military have vaccinated themselves, and the military were recently dispatched to rescue these children. However, mysterious creatures known to be vampires are attacking United States military forces. All children under the age of 13 must stay in your shelter. Lock all doors and windows, and don't go outside unless military forces find you. If you do, you endanger your life. Have a battery-powered radio and a firearm to defend yourself. Stay tuned for more updates as this situation develops.